Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So this is our 13th video and we'll continue the project list from 189 point, helmet and license plate detection. So let's open it. Now the helmet and number plate detection. In this project it work on the helmet and number plate detection. User have to upload any image or video to machine learning model. ML model detect that person is wearing helmet or not. And if the person is not wearing helmet, then it will show a red boundary box. And if rider wears, then it will show the green boundary box. Like that, it will be the home page where user have to upload input image or video from that browse button, and user can select any image or video and they can download from the internet and upload to that software, so it will recognize it. Okay, let's play this video. And there is a about us button where you can add your details, and this will do the exit button. Let's play the video. We are fast forwarding. Okay, this will be the project folder. Now we run the project through terminal and it will open the software homepage, and user can browse that particular image or video. Let's select this video. So it will detect that person is wearing a helmet or not, and it will make the red boundary box and the blue boundary box. Like that, you can upload any video or image to that model. Let's scroll down. So these are the software and hardware requirement, like coding language Python, implementation software work, operating system, graphical user interface, and Tkinter, and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries. Like if any doubt related to that project, so you can contact us. I already provided the WhatsApp number, website, and the Instagram, and you can check out the related projects in different domains. Like if you want to go through that Android app list, just click on the click here button. So it will open. Or if you want to download that particular list, then I already provided the drive link in the description, video description, so you can download it. Let's go back. Now the point number 190, helmet and number plate detection. So it is similar to that previous project, but there is no interface right now for that particular project. Helmet and number plate detection using machine learning. This project work on helmet and number plate detection. This ML model work on image and video and recognize that rider is without helmet or with helmet. If the rider is not wearing helmet, then it will make the red boundary box to rider, and if person wears helmet, then it shows the output in green boundary box. Parallelly, it will identify the license plate of bike, and after detection, it will keep whole image in separate folder. So this machine learning model is trained on large data set of images and videos, and ML is used to train the model so that it can easily recognize the violated riders. Now user have to upload an input video to that model, and it will recognize that person is wearing helmet or not, and it will also show the accuracy, like no helmet and 0.90% accuracy, and will recognize the rider also and the number plate. Let's play this video. Okay, you can see like it will recognize the license plate as LP and the rider and the non-helmet. These are the hardware and software requirement, and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 191, helmet and number plate recognition and send Challan to that mail ID. So this is the complete description of our project, and we are using a Tkinter for the user interface and programming language Python. Basic working of helmet and number plate detection using Python. First, a login module. Allow admin to log in into a system by providing the credentials. Home screen allows admin to select input source such as video or image or live webcam. Helmet and rider detector using YOLO algorithm to detect the rider and helmet and violence identification. Traffic violence monitor shows the end result along with detected violence from the input source. Now in that project, user have to upload an input video to that model, and it will identify the license plate, rider, and the person is wearing helmet or not. So it will show the rider 0.87% accuracy, non-helmet 0.91% accuracy, and the license plate 0.90. After that detection part, it will recognize and it will extract the number from the license plate, and it will show that helmet status not wearing, number plate visible, plate number AP39GH1915, and number of passenger 1. And you can send the challan to that particular email ID, and it will store the details in the Excel file. Okay, these are the hardware and software requirement, and contact us for more queries. Check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 193, hippocampus disease detection. Let's click on it. Now the hippocampus segmentation using advanced image segmentation technique. Our tool assists in the analysis of MRI images for hippocampus segmentation. This feature is invaluable in study and the research of brain conditions as hippocampus segmentation can provide insights into various neurological conditions. Our model process images and return accurate segmentation to support research efforts. So this will be the complete web page. Let's play this video. Now user have to enter those details like classification form, cognitive symptoms, negative symptoms, and positive symptoms. User have to enter the age, gender, marital status, fatigue, stowing, a pen, hygiene, and the movement. Then click on submit button and it will predict the elevated proneness. And you can also upload any image to that model and it will detect and recognize that the prediction is healthy like that. And let's open the software. These are the software and hardware requirement and contact us from Mercury. Check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 194, Homophone Game. The speech to text conversion using machine learning. A homophone recognition game using Python. This project interface design using Django framework and contains multiple functionalities like speech to text conversion. In this feature, user have to listen the word and type same and correct word, whatever they hear, and submit that answer. If the answer is correct, you will get marks. Second point, identify image from text. In this system, user have to identify that particular image from text space. Level will go from easy to hard. Image to text conversion, user have to saw the image and type the correct name of that image. Miscellaneous. This option contain reasoning based questions and user have to select correct answer based on questions. Let's scroll down. This will be the YouTube video. So there are a few options like listening, reading, writing, and miscellaneous. Now first user have to log in with credentials and then speech listening practice. So user have to listen that particular word and they have to type that word and then click on submit button. Then it will show the result. So this will be the speech listening technique and the other one is homophone recognition game. So user have to recognize that particular image and select that image. Okay, the last one is the type the correct word for that particular image and user have to select like which balloons is blue. User have to select that particular answers and it will show the result. These are the hardware and software requirement and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 195, hospital management system. This is the minor project and this will be the major project. Let's open the minor one. The hospital management system in Python with MySQL database developed using Python programming language and taken the library used for the graphical user interface. This project will easy the work of hospital reception. They don't have to maintain the hard copy of papers. Software can easily manage all the database and it is reliable and faster than paperwork. User can easily fetch patient details by ID or name. It reduces the burden for the managing the book and hard copies. So this will be the complete video where user can enter the details and it will store the data in database. User can enter the patient information and it will store data in database in the bottom side and they can enter the details and store the laboratory data. They can save the data, delete data, reset data, exit, and they can store the staff details and the facility management. Okay, these are the hardware and software requirement and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 196, hospital management system, the major project. Let's open it. So this will be the hospital management project and this will be the YouTube video where they can store the patient registration detail, patient admit. Like first they have to enter the registration detail. After that they have to admit that particular patient and they can search the registration information or admit information or they can also store the staff detail like doctor or any other member staff member details and they can search the staff member details, registration record, staff record, generate bill. Like once the patient is discharged, then they can generate the bill records, and the appointment. These are the hardware and software requirement. And contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Now let's go back. Now the point number 197, hostel management system using Python. Let's open it. The hostel management system developed using Python programming language and Tkinter library used for creating the graphical user interface. First, users have to register with details like name, password, email ID, phone number, branch, and years after filling details, project will create account for the user. After registration, then user have to log in with the username and password. Then click on login button. It contains multiple options in homepage like change password, student module, room allotment module, room fees module, food bill module, visitor module, and the setting module. And this user interface developed using Tkinter library. So these are the hardware and software requirement. And contact us for more queries and check out related projects. Now let's go back. So the point number 198, hotel billing system. Hotel billing system software developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used for the graphical user interface. This system will take customer details which display menus with dishes of hotel. User can select any particular item with quantity and software will fetch the pricing of item and from code, and lastly it will generate the bill. This is advanced and digital way of management and taking food order and generate bill without diary maintained. And it also contain payment system. In the menu folder, menu file is present in text file and bill also saved in text format in the bill records. The project folder contains main Python script, and when user execute that file, that will open the software. So these are the features. Like user have to enter the customer detail with name or number. User can select item from menu bar with filter options. Items should be selected with quantity and rate automatically fetched from the code. User can add item, remove and update the quantity. User can generate the bill after selecting the items. Orders cancellation option also available, and system generate bill and store in the bill records. So this is the complete YouTube video. If you want to play that video, just click on the play button. These are the hardware and software requirement, and you can check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 199, hotel management system in Python. So the hotel management system help owner manage hotel status, room, reserves, payment info, and contact easily. It's simple to use and save information well. System makes running a hotel smoother by handling the task like checking room availability, creating reports. It works for all kind of hotels, or big or small. With this simple tool, hotel owner can organize everything easily, making sure guests have a great stay. So there are hotel status, room, reserves, payment info, contact and exit button information. And these are the hardware and software requirement, and contact us for more query and check out related projects. Like if they have to check out the deep learning projects, then just click on the click here button. So it will open the complete project list. And if you have to download that particular list, then I already provided the drive link in the video descriptions. So you can download it. Just go back. Now the point number 201, HTML code generator. Let's click on it. So in this blog, we'll show a project named HTML code generator from any image skeleton using image processing. User have to provide input image that will sketch of following items like radio buttons, entry block, checkbox, etc. All things sketch on paper, and user have to provide this input image to software, and it automatically generate a HTML code from input image. So user have to enter the input image of skeleton, and it will automatically generate the radio buttons, entry block, and the checkbox like that. So this is the hardware and software requirement, and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 202, human activity recognition. Let's click on it. The human activity recognition using OpenCV and Python. This project user have to provide an input video to that model, and model first it will detect and identify the human activity. This project user have to upload an input video to that model, and model first it will detect and identify the human activity and posture and give the output and what activity is performing by human. This project model is trained on the machine learning, and it was trained on large dataset of video sample. Human activity recognition project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter library used for the developing the graphical user interface. So in that project, user have to upload an input video to that model, and it will identify the activity from the input video. These are the software and hardware requirement, and contact us for more query and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 203, human counting pedestrian crossing. So in that project, you have to upload an input video, and it will detect and count the total number of person from that input video. Whenever they are crossing the pedestrian, it will show the status also detecting total human 3. This will be the software hardware requirement. Let's play this video. Let's fast forwarding. The counting continuously changing. So these are the hardware and software requirement in context of homework queries. Check our related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 204, human gait recognition system in Python. Now the human gait recognition, this project developed using Python programming language and graphical user interface in Decode. When user run Python script, then homepage will open and it gave option of video uploading and live streaming. In video uploading option, user can upload any video and it will identify the person and recognize that particular human skeleton. Other option is for live streaming. In that option, laptop front camera will open and will recognize by live streaming and identify the gate. Project output video will open the home page and there is a about project section and the about us section in the home page. So user can upload an input video or live streaming. Let's upload this input video and it will identify the person and it will make the human skeleton like that. So these are the software hardware requirement and check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 205, image dehazing system in image and video. So the image dehazing task has been a challenges in field of computer vision. During adverse weather condition, the image captured and appeared to be very low quality of image due to presence of atmospheric particle like fog, haze, etc. So it troubles in detecting object in image and it will make clear to that blurred image. So this will the in the left hand side there will be an input image and in the right hand side there will be output image. These are the hardware and software requirement in checkout related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 206, image forgery detection. So the image forgery detection using CNN. In social media nowadays, the main source of shared information is digital image. It's crucial to identify this forgery image because malicious software can forge such image for fake information. A deep learning model is used to detect forgery in digital image and differentiate between compressed image or original image. To provide an input written model, after removing its classifier and add a fine-tuned classifier, this project purpose an approach to enhance the digital forgery image detection using deep learning technique via transfer learning. So user have to browse any input image to that model and it will make the forgery to that image. Like we are uploading that particular image and then click on predict output. So it will show the prediction is real and other one will be the forger image. Okay, the user interface developed using Tkinter library. These are the hardware and software requirement and contact us for more queries. And you can check out related projects. Let's go back. Now the point number 207, image steganography in encode and decode image. Let's open it. So the digital image steganography is the process of hide information with an image in a sequence recoverable way. Spatial transform and neural network method are the three main methods of digital image steganography. The neural network methods uses neural network to perform the hiding text while transform method hide information within frequency of image and spatial method modify pixel value of image to embed information. So the image steganography software developed using Python language and TKNT used for developing the graphical user interface. So this will be the encoding process of image steganography and decoding process of image steganography, and this will be the YouTube video. So user have to first choose the file, create model, and they have to enter the text for encoding. Let's select this image and enter text to hide and then enter the password and then it will progress that image. So once again they have to select and they have to store the output image in any separate folder. Store the output image in that folder. Now we again have to choose that particular output file and they have to enter the password and then click on the decode button. So it will progress and if you enter the wrong password then it will show the invalid password and if you enter the correct password then it will show the decoded successfully. This is a dummy text to hide. Okay, so we have hide the text in any image. This will be the hardware and software requirement and contact us for more queries and check out related projects. These are the technology list. Like if you click on the OpenSea project, then click here it will open the complete list. And if you want to download that particular list, then you can download from the video description. Okay. Let's complete this video here. We will again connect with the next session. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching in the project ideas, then you can also visit the website. You can contact us. Okay. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you need, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.